Hi, I am Jo, a cervical cancer survivor, a buddy of Hearts of Hope Society Cancer Support Group of Perpetual Medical Center, Las Piñas. When I was diagnosed with cancer, that was the day my life split into before and after. And that also the moment I chose to fight in my own way. What cancer took from me, it also forced me to rebuild, and that rebuilding my strength. Cancer was my hardest trial, but God revealed His purpose and my resilience through it. Life is so beautiful, so keep on fighting. Happy World Cancer Day 2026 from Hearts of Hope Society Cancer Support Group. God bless.